In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPhone. So to do this, it's very easy. All you have to do is to make sure that your controller is turned on by pressing this Xbox logo. And then you're going to keep press on the button right in the front, the circle button here, until this light blinks very fast. Okay, it blinks fast, I can release this button. Set the controller aside, and on your iPhone, we need to go into the Bluetooth settings. So launch the settings and then go over here, Bluetooth, and gonna have the list of all the Bluetooth devices connected to this iPhone. Go down, all the way down until you see other devices, and you're gonna see Xbox wireless controller. Tap on it, then tap on pair. And the light on the Xbox controller will stop blinking. This simply means that both are now connected. And by the way, if in the future you want to disconnect this controller because you don't want it anymore, simply go over here, Xbox wireless controller, press on the small icon, and then tap on forget this device. But otherwise, both are connected, and if you have games on your iPhone, you'll now be able to use your controller to play. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.